Hello. I'm not muted. Okay, shade 11. 5 minutes. That was the fastest ban, I think, that I've ever had on a live stream. 30 seconds in. 5-minute timeout. Hello, Enix. Good morning. Hope you guys had a good discussion on Discord. Yeah, I saw that Bite Me Games game also got 10,000 wish lists. Is it Bite Me Games 10,000 wish lists, right? In 1 week. Let's see. Yeah, 10,000 wish lists in 7 days. Ah, yeah. It just goes to show that I need to make another game, guys. We need to finish the current game. This is the wish list that we have at the moment. It felt like an uphill battle since the very beginning. My game. And yeah, I can do more shorts, but how many shorts did Bite Me Games do about their game? 0, right? How many videos did they do about their game? 0. Okay, well, 1 video, right? So like the amount of marketing they put in compared to, let's say, what I put in, I do not understand this the wrong way. Okay, I'm not complaining. I'm not saying that, like, I'm not blaming anyone. I'm just stating facts. I'm just stating facts here. Just looking from the outside is, or like from the inside, I guess. It just goes to show what a good game can do. And it doesn't necessarily mean like a good game gameplay wise, but a good game also from the outside, right? Looking in. And how long it grabs people to play and how many people are willing to wishlist and stuff like that. It just, for me, like they gained 10,000 wishlists. I gained 1,000 wishlists, right? And the work put in comparatively is just a gazillion times difference. And it's been an uphill battle ever since just the very beginning.
Cakez. Animate the water.
Shut up. It's been I've gotten sick yesterday, that's why I didn't stream, so I want to apologize for yesterday. I just was unable to. I couldn't even walk. I had to sleep till today, 9 a.m. sorry, in the morning. That's when I finally could wake up and stand. And so then I started cleaning up things here and slowly got better. Still not 100%, but good enough to do stuff. I'm drinking tea right now, and I have these bad boys right here. And I bought myself a Laugenstange in English. It's like dry food because of all the water. But yeah, like I've been pushing myself so hard that I got sick multiple times and totally out of stress. And I just don't think that... my game that I'm making right now, I think I just need to move on. I'll be making 1 or 2 more shorts. I'll try my best tonight to finish the 1 short that I started. I started 1 already. I might redo the take on how I recorded it, but I think I need to realize at this point, okay, I've sent about 300 mails. I've, you know, talked to a bunch of people that are willing to help me, you know, advertise the game and stuff. The reality is that apparently my game just isn't marketable. Or like people are not interested in my game. That's just what it looks like. And there's no amount of work that I can put in will change that. That's how I see it at the moment. Now, you could say this is a negative approach or a negative outlet. I think it's, well, it is somewhat negative, I agree, but I think it's just the reality. Like, if there was something with the game, we would have seen it by now. That makes sense, right? And I gotta be honest with all of you, there's no way I can work another year on this to make it better. Like, what would I make better, right? Let's release and move on. Anyways, guys, hope you have a good day so far. I'll be taking it slow today. I don't even know what I should do in the game. Like, yeah, I can do localization. But I gotta be honest. Now that I got sick again, I kind of want to take it slow, man. Like, I'm scared that I'll just kill myself working on this shitty game. It's not worth it, bro. It just is not worth it. Like, how can you get sick so many times in like 2 months? It's crazy. I'm not animating the water, guys. Because you don't sleep. Yeah. Sleep does fix 90% of issues. Am I wrong? Well, I did sleep reasonably well the last 2-3 days. So, yes, I had that one day where I pushed myself to the limit, where I did the 12-hour stream, and then the day before where I spent all night changing the characters. But I started sleeping more. What is this Polish game? Polish means polishing. How many hours do you sleep though? Well, I try to get 6 to 7 hours. I oftentimes only get 5 though. Are you Polish? Half Polish, actually, yeah. My dad's Polish, my mom's German. Just subscribe, exactly. Then you don't get ads, bro. How are you, Cakez? I'm feeling a bit better. Yesterday was terrible. Sorry, I didn't tell you anything on YouTube, guys. Either I had food poisoning, or I had Magen-Darm again. I think it was food poisoning though. Yo, Mr. D-Boy, thank you very much for the raid. Isn't your game coming out tomorrow? Good morning, guys. Where's the kid? I can't hear him. Oh. So yeah, this is the second time. Now, obviously, it could still happen, right? My game launches on the 9th, not now. But this is the second time I send out mails to YouTubers. And I don't think anyone has made a video. Now, obviously, could still happen, right? It's only been a couple of days. Yeah, some people replied, yeah.
Tangy TD is all about...
Ah, shit. Where's the category? Don't I have the category Tangy TD? Ah, here. It's just me. I sent him a code too. The Polish guy. Yeah. No one makes a video of my game. Tomorrow is the big day, my birthday too. Amen. I wish you good luck, bro. When is if you... At what time does your game release tomorrow? I wonder if they're YouTube 10GT and see your face all over the place. Could be. But yeah, I can't get anyone to play my game. So I can't... yeah. Sure, I can send more mails, but... I think I've covered the big guys already. Those that would be making videos of indie games. That are the important ones. I've covered them. I have them. And yes, I'll be looking to gather more, but... It's kind of disappointing, gotta be honest. I know, I'll be waiting, but I'll wait. I said that it's quite early. Yeah, I feel like we tried everything. I can do shorts, yeah. I will. But in all honesty, that shouldn't be the deciding factor for the game. I'll still do it. I just don't see the shorts working in my case, gotta be honest. I still have an idea on what to do, right? I still do shorts, but yeah. Yeah, I'll do TikTok and Instagram as well, yeah. I have 4,000 wish lists. Almost 5,000, 4,500, something like that. Three hours from now, okay. Listen to this, chat. Listen to this. Someone, excuse me, someone, I think it was through Reddit, asked me if he could do sound effects for the game, and this is the first one. The bleed explosion. Looks good, huh? Sounds good. Do you look Gmail? What do you mean, do I look Gmail? I will try to be live all day. I have a game widget that shows the game sales. So I can live track sales tomorrow. I think I won't even look at the sales, guys. Gotta be honest. Lacks a little bit of oomph, bars. Hello, Lazy Dev. Good morning. Yo, Meta, Mateji. Thank you very much. Hope you have a good day too, bro. Let me pin the message on YouTube. Yeah, so What do you guys think I should be doing right now to increase the odds of getting sales in the game, guys? I sent a game idea for you. Bro, I'm about to release my game. You think I have time to look at a game idea? Contact people all day, every day. You had almost 1,000 emails. Yeah, but are you just sending emails randomly? Or are you looking at YouTubers that actually played similar games? Because finding those is really hard. Yeah, how do you find those? You go through YouTube and then you try to find that played similar games. That's the hard part of it? Okay. Could you make a platformer like Mega Man? I'm not gonna make a platformer as my next game. What are you eating? Oh, I just ate a Laugenstange in English. My wife can't give me a loan. What are you talking about? Oh, that was the first thing I ate. Ah, in USB-Stick. Ich kann das bei mir auch irgendwo einstecken. Ja. Können wir kurz warten. Hast du noch einen anderen?
Is it hot or cold? Well, it's starting to get cold because I barely have anything left.
Okay, habe ich schon. Okay, it's loading. Yeah, so you guys are saying, and then you're sending them, Mr. D-Boy, then you're sending the mails by hand. Cakez, I can't come live in your basement. If your game is not successful, bro, make it happen. Yes, you're sending them by hand. Wow, you have, okay. Well, maybe I should do that the next couple of days, but then why should I stream? Give me a reason to stream and not do this right now. And I'm not doing this on stream, bro. That's fucking retarded. How many wish lists? 4,900. 4,500. I'm not gonna waste my time with React content right now. Streaming is wish list, yeah, but about 50 a day. If one big YouTuber plays my game, that's about 500 to 1,000, maybe even more. Ask Gronk if that's one person. Build a script? What a script for what? Like, you can't automate this process. The finding YouTubers and evaluating whether the YouTuber is something that you want to send a mail to cannot be automated. Release it. No, I feel like I should still do something. No, that's not true, Shade 11. That's the mentality of a loser. I might be not defeated. How do you say that? Not defeated. Faltering? Doubt? I might doubt. I might be doubting. Discouraged? Yeah. What can you do in 5 days? Well, more than nothing. Hi. Watching your streams inspired me to start pixel art and some game and some simple game. It's more like a terrain render for now in JavaScript. Thanks a lot for your work. Thank you, man. Codepedev. Appreciate it, bro. Wish you good luck with your game, man. Try to not make it too big. Upload it to itch. I just don't think that shorts for my game work because I just don't think so. I'm not animating the water. Cakez, which programming language do you recommend to learn to become a programmer? Any programming language. They're all mostly the same. Learning to program. Is a tool. Programming language is a tool. Is it bestiary instead of bestiary? It could be bestiary, yeah. Let me check. Bestiary. No, it's bestiary. Let's look up Bean Beasts. I feel like Bean Beasts has the same issue as I have. Though I just have to say it. Like, I think my game has more in-depth gameplay. Yeah. Like, it's just... And his game looks better, though. From the outside. Anyways, I don't know, guys. I could connect the last 2 nodes here, so they don't just float around here. His game is more in depth. It's not about the dev anyway, so... No, his game is not more in depth. That's not true. The upgrades are very streamlined and quite boring. I played it myself. What are you talking about? I give you infinitely more upgrade possibilities and combinations. That is not true. That is a fact. And I'm not boasting, I'm just saying how it is. But his game looks better. The gameplay is more in depth. So it means stuff like looks greater than depth. Supposedly, yeah. So what you mean by depth is I have slows in the game. He has slows in the game. The only thing that I could see is there's a frog that eats an enemy.
Am I so out of touch?
You could toss an enemy into the water.
No. Shintai for just subscribe. Let's
But
go.
that's about it. The
Almost
upgrades are just more
released.
damage, more damage, more damage, more damage. Game should be called Ginger TD. Shintai, thank you very much for subscribing. I appreciate it. Why not checking the link, bro? Which link? This got me 130 wish lists. What is this?
The game I'm playing today is Mr. Farm Boy.
No. This is YouTube feature. The translation is a YouTube feature. Yeah, it's auto dub. Yeah. Well, yeah, I think I even mailed this person. But I might be wrong. I might have actually mailed this person, but could also be wrong. You wrote the mail in English, right, Mr. D-Boy? Yeah. I'll just write everything in English. Yeah, okay, then my number one priority tonight will be to gather 100 more emails. Okay. Yeah, maybe I should just spend all my time gathering emails and writing. Tuning in for lunch. Hello there, Mr. Sturdy Pose. Hope you're doing good, bro. Yeah, I feel like in the game... I should probably just add 2 more nodes here somewhere. For now, stat nodes. I guess I'll do a generic damage, could be nice. Cakez, you did a good job. Maybe just keep it damage though. And then how much will that be? 4 points. We have 1 more node. I really don't have any node though. It's also node number 83, so I think I'll just leave it the way it is. Most people won't see it. It's fine. My point is, team pages are like YouTube thumbnail. If it looks good, you'll have eyes, so people might try the game, but if it looks bad... Yeah, no, your point is right. But I've been trying to iterate on my Steam page for like 2 to 3 years. And at some point, you just gotta admit defeat, bro. I'm telling you guys that I wholeheartedly believe that. Leave page. If I had made a Steam page from this game at the beginning of 2025, let's say, right? I would have more wish lists right now than Tangy TD. Now, obviously, I would have to flesh this out a bit, right? But 100%. What incremental are you making, Cakez? I don't know yet, but I will be making an incremental game, yeah. And those people that said on Discord that I don't like incremental games, you guys are retarded. I never said that. I liked Outhold a lot and I liked Click and Conquer. For me, it's just a joke that I'm saying that incremental games are just winning right now, regardless of quality, okay? But if you started with Godot, I don't know, Nicole. I just don't like Godot. I don't know. It's just... the UI drives me crazy. Yeah, Lyric, can you guys... do you guys have a clip? Thank you very much for whoever... like, who was it? Who spammed the link to my game? In... read my previous message, Cakes? Wait, let me a second here. Have you seen this? One more ding. Let's see. What is this? That was Lyric. Wait, let me sec.
And it's not worth.
It's very quiet. Is he just very quiet?
Re-downloading. $3, might as well make it free to play.
Let's see what it is. What
$13 for the full game with the expansions. Oh, so $3 for the vanilla. Come on, man.
Hey. Ah, here.
Check out Tangy TD.
Tangy TD is all about combining items to create powerful builds which make damage numbers go crazy. You play as hero in Tangy, who can freely move around, attack enemies, and even reposition your towers. Enemies spawn in rounds and will try to destroy
Bro,
all
why
the
wouldn't I
orange
have
trees
played the
on map.
goddamn
If they
monkey
succeed,
game?
The game is lost. But fear not, there are multiple ways to stop them. Level up Tangy by attacking enemies and choose one out of 3 upgrades every time you level up. Place up to 3 class-based towers, each with unique items and abilities. The defender specializes in blocking enemies and
I guess you have like a hero.
Hits everyone in range, but can also shoot deadly bolts of lightning and ice. The ranger can hit flying units the defender can't reach.
Dude, balloons is so good, bro. I should go back and play some balloons. Is there a TD7 coming out? Where the hell is TD7? What
Well, I
happened
did
to
watch
these
40
devs?
seconds of the trailer. It's quite a long time. It's over. So that was it, right? What did chat say? Reminds me of a phone game. Kingdom Rush plus Vampire Survivors. Just play Bloons. Bloons is the best TD. Bloons has heroes, yeah. I don't see any towers. I saw this game's developer talk about it on YouTube. Lol. Gladius live. This guy devoted his life to explaining things. True. Play Green Kingdom Rush from Timo. Shut up, bitch. Fuck you. It's more like Kingdom Rush, not Bloons TD. Bloons is good. Bloons. Oh, I apologize. I'm sorry. Oh. Bloons, but shit. Why? Made by streamer. Bloons from Timo. Yeah, maybe I just will never get the Bloons from Timo mobile TD game. Yeah, guys, I just don't think... Not a single one... Guys, you have to realize, not a single one in his chat said, oh, that's nice. Right, good game. I could go a bit higher. not a single fuck Cakez. So yeah, okay. Well, that's about it. Yeah, guys, maybe I just can't bring people to play it. Will there be a period of testing out frameworks, some gameplay, etc. before the next game, assuming it goes well? All depends on how. Zero pogs, yeah. It's just over, guys. Like, that's why I will do some more stuff, but I think I've reached my limit. Twitch chat is hive mind. Yeah, but bro, you have to realize Twitch chat is part of the audience. They are not jealous. It has nothing to do with that. It looks like everyone that sees my game is like, oh, balloons, but I guess worse. So they'd rather just... It's a harsh learning experience. Yeah, I know. Have we tried to reach Jonathan Blow? Balloons bigger first impression than the PoE building, maybe open with the skill tree and items hook. Yeah, I feel like my skill tree comes too late. It seems that the problem of games that selling point is based on complexity is appeal marketing. I don't know. Like, you guys remember, what do noobs, I don't want to say noobs, but what do people that don't know PoE say about PoE? Oh, it's that game with the giant skill tree. No, everyone says, listen, there's a meme out there about the giant skill tree of PoE. Lyric didn't see the skill tree. Zergfried. He went through 40 seconds of the trailer without seeing the skill tree. Like, if we let's just watch this till 40 seconds. Yeah, I know. I know it's hard to compare, but still. Skill tree should have been introduced earlier, yeah. He got to this... No, he saw that, right? Yeah, he got to here, 40 seconds. And I still don't show the skill tree. I think the problem is... The old skill trailer showed the skill tree earlier, yeah. No, Path of Exile could have worked even without the big skill tree back then and even now. Because it's Diablo 2, the appeal of Diablo 2 AQ. You see Path of Exile and you think Diablo 2, especially in the beginning. And it was one of their big marketing points as well. We like PoE 2, we like Diablo 2. Diablo 3 was shit. We have a better Diablo 3. Everything looks similar, yeah, but yeah, it is how it is, guys. We need to move on, make another game. I'll be sending more mails, but yeah. I was talking about complexity on its own. Yeah, no, I get that. And the only way to get a complexity across is to explain it. There's no other way. Could cut out one scene and show the skill tree after the first gameplay scenes. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I really don't know what I should change in the game because it works. It's finished. Don't really have many bugs. Any bugs? Is balancing done? Yeah, mostly. I need to play a bit more, but yeah. Guy also didn't listen to your audio explanation. I'd also organize it with bullet point style, text overlay, move towers, show hero moving towers, huge skill tree, show skill tree, get upgrades. Yeah, I tried many different trailers. This was the last iteration. Like, it could be that this trailer also doesn't work very well. Just make shorts then. I don't think shorts will work either, David. Like trying to polish a turd, you know. I'll be making at least one more short, but I just don't see it. What do you think about Chris Zawolski? I'm indifferent. There's nothing I think about. He has rules on how to release a game, but these rules do not include running out of money. Like, yeah, you kind of need 7,000 wish lists, but what if you can't reach the 7,000 wish lists? What if you try your best and you can't reach them even after 4 years? Then what are you gonna do? Well, it's 3 years, but still, right? You can't endlessly promote your game without selling it. That's just not how that works. So I agree with some of his takes, right? But you can't always follow that. Your first game didn't take 4 years, Shade 11. But yes, you're right. Promoting it on Instagram against policy, no? You think your game? I don't think my game is a turd, but for people from the outside, it is. There's no incentive to play. People are not as excited to play my game as they are excited to play other games. That has been the biggest problem I have. And I've been fighting this for 3 years plus, and it's just not getting better. I said before, you know, had I made this game on Steam in 2025 and developed that, I would have way more wish lists and attention to that game than I have to my current game. How much are you gonna sell for? $8.79. But yeah, we are learning from this, right? And the good thing is, again, let's say we earn 5k, right? Let's say we don't earn that much. Hä? Nee, das ist noch rot. Also du könnt... Ja, das ist grün, aber ich glaube, der funktioniert nicht. Ja, der geht nicht an. Also der... Warte mal, dann kann ich auch den anderen nehmen. Aha. Ich weiß, ich würde dir gerne das anmachen. Das muss erst laden. Also es wird noch ein bisschen dauern. Hm? Kalt. Dann mal gucken, ob der hier schon funktioniert, aber ich glaube nicht.
Komm, wir setzen uns. Komm, wir unten am Tisch. One second, chat. One sec. Anyways, I'm back. Friendly, thank you very much for following, my man. Bloons Today 6 trailer is the exact same style I recommended. Case arrested. It's literally just different maps and different towers. Upgrade tree. And then they showed their roguelike thing. And then we get the refresh thing, the react. Oh yeah. I tried that, by the way. I tried that trailer. That didn't work. Because I can't outrun the balloons. The text overlay, I tried that too. Is it good that they compared it to Bloons? Yeah, but it didn't make them excited to play this. It made them more excited to play Bloons than my game. So, it's great that they make the comparison, yeah.
But it's more like, hey, cool, I should play Bloons now. So it makes them want to play Bloons, not my game. That's the problem. Yeah, whatever. It's definitely a tough pill to swallow, for sure. Yours is not out, so they cannot play it. True. True. But there wasn't even a single looks interesting or cool in his entire chat. It was more like, hey man, then play Bloons, right? Or Bloons from Wish, or Kingdom Rush from Wish, or so basically a shitty version. It is how it is, guys. But that's the perception that they have, right? My opinion, best power defense games are Warcraft, Warcraft 3. That's how I got introduced to tower defense games. Bloons from Timo, yeah. And yeah, we will. What are you talking about, AQ? Let me find that. And about the validating earlier and then pivoting, I learned that 2025. So last year. But I still decided to finish this game. Should have finished it earlier? Probably. But I couldn't finish it earlier. I wanted to give it my all, which might have been a mistake, yeah. I mean, when did I join Steam Next Fest? It was October. For me, Steam Next Fest was a deciding factor. And then October, I decided, okay, if I get 1,000 wishlists, then I'll continue and finish it. If I don't, then I'll finish it as fast as possible, move on, right? That was the idea. Then I got 1,000 wishlists, and I was like, hey, okay, so I said that I'll finish it. And now we're in March. Yeah, we'll finish this and move on. The good thing is I have an online following. So because of you guys and because of YouTube, if I keep making content, I can still earn some money from my game. And that will hopefully... He should be offline emailing. Yeah, I suppose you're right. How many wishlists did you get since last stream? 20. Try to be hyped up for release day, Cakes. That is really hard to do, man. Like, it's like the writing on the wall, right? So how can I be hyped for release date if I didn't even reach, let's say, 5k wish lists? And I send out 300 mails, and then the 2 times 100 mails before, and not a single one actually played the game. Like, how can you be excited for release day when you have these results? Like, how? Is that possible? I don't think so. Yeah, be hyped for next game. Yeah, sure. There's still a chance. I don't see it. I will not fake it. Null exception, no. I will not play up emotions or pretend to have a different emotion than what I have. If on that day I see that no one is playing and nothing's going well for the game, then I won't pretend that I'll be happy. I just won't. No, I get it. They will most likely still need time to get to the mails. I get it, right? I'm not stupid. But I just have this feeling that no one's gonna play it. So I have this feeling. No, guys, I'm done with the game. The game's done. So I'm already proud of myself of what I have achieved. Let's see how it goes, yeah. Click and Conquer gained like how many wish lists? See, like, I get that, right? I get all of this. Let's see. You guys, these examples don't work, unfortunately. I'll show you why. This is Steam Next Fest, is it? June? Is this Steam Next Fest? I remember talking to Thornity, he got 2,000 wishlists in Steam Next Fest. He even linked me if I go back enough. He was in Next Fest. If I go back enough in Discord, I'll probably be able to find it. But as far as I understand, he gained 2,000 wishlists in Steam Next Fest, or was it 1,000? One of the two. There's no way for me to pump shorts reasonably fast. And yes, I will be, but yeah, this... Guys, my motivation is not very high, okay? I'll try my best. Game name, Tangy TD. Tangy TD was in October. Next Fest. I'm not lagging in real life. I'm just thinking. We could all be wrong. I mean, look at Stardew Valley old trailer versus new trailer. He was sad all the way and thought it's going to flop. What do you mean Stardew Valley old trailer versus new trailer?
How much time to dev an incremental game, Cakes? I think I need 1 to 2 weeks for a prototype. And if the prototype does well, then I'll probably need 1 to 2 months to finish it. I wanna join a Steam Next Fest. Isn't it better to work on mobile games in today's market? No, it's not necessarily. Oh. Mr. D-Boy and I bundling. I don't think we can bundle, right? Because my game's not out. Why aren't you on this YouTuber's list, Cakes?
There's nothing like building rows of upgraded.
Why aren't you on this YouTuber's list? Upcoming base, new and upcoming base building tower defense games. Because I don't have a base building tower defense game. I'm not building a base. No, AQ, I don't think I'll need a month for a prototype. If I make it on Raylib, then I actually think I can do it in a week. So I already added a week. That's why I said 2. Okay, so I think the best strategy is really to find more YouTubers, right? Let's get an overview. Let me check real quick. Where's Thornity? See, the very first messages he sent me, if I remember correctly. Yeah, like here's some click and conquer stats. Let's see. Not sure if it's still 30-minute consolidation. Here it is. itch.io gave him 650. Reddit posts gave him 585. Demo and YouTube coverage gave him 450. Next Fest gave him 945. An upcoming release gave him 170. I don't know what upcoming release, where that comes from. It is non-popular upcoming. When does that come into play? Normal upcoming list. So I am on it right now. But I'm not getting any wish lists. Naturally. It goes forward with time. So I'm very far down right now because I'm not that high up in the list, because there are games that are coming tomorrow, right? Correct? Is that how that works? Yes? Ah, okay. Okay. When can you expect to see some numbers from that list? Like a day before, 2 days before? Mostly a day. Okay. It's all games. Yeah, yeah. Go here and scroll, Cakes. Oh God. Yeah, I mean March 5th, March 6th. Yeah, I mean March 6th, right? Yeah, I'm not expecting much from that list, bruh. I gotta be honest. March 9. Look how many... I think I saw myself here. March 9. Yeah, okay. Excuse me. I mean, I looked at some of these games, right? Cluckmesh Oasis. So if I plug this in, it's lagging.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah, okay. And then I'll try to just get all of these that I don't have on my list yet for this game, from this game, right? It's not that many. Yeah, okay. But like, how do you even find more than like 500 YouTubers that way? At some point, you're gonna have to like change genres. Cakez, you can create the bundle now and send me an invite collaboration link. Then that's it for me. You control the rest, the date and the price. Do you think you can make it to popular upcoming? No, I don't think I can. And I think I'll stop trying now. Like, I really pushed myself on the day with the short when I wanted to do another short for my game. And I got sick immediately. Like, I feel like I need to stop basically killing myself. It is how it is, man. I think we have tried everything we can. I can get more YouTubers, get more email lists. But yeah, for the most part, I think we're good. You got good wishlist velocity recently. I think you have a good short, honestly, man. Many games get on it around 5k. Yeah, I mean, I appreciate it. Let's just see how many YouTubers cover us, if any at all, right? I'll be mailing more YouTubers, but let's see how many. And then, yeah. Cakez, Reddit. Is this AI? I don't think I ended up in spam. I think it's more appeal that my game's struggling with. Don't underestimate marketing and don't limit yourself to a single platform. Yeah, I will try. But that means I just gotta stop streaming. If that is really the way it is, then I have to stop streaming. Don't you guys agree? To have the time that I'm spending now talking and doing the marketing stuff during the time at the during the time of the day where I have the most amount of energy. And yes, it's good to stream too, but I feel like, yeah, streaming is a good way to market the game. That is correct. But I will never ever make a short on stream again. I know I get more wish lists when streaming, but there's nothing more to work on in the game. I mean, this needs to be implemented, I think. Which is like, I can implement that real quick. But other than that, have you sent email to Tame the stream? Yeah, he said on his video that he wants to play when the game is out when he was playing the X-Fest demo. Yeah, I have sent him. Tower Defense Reddit. Yeah, I will post in Tower Defense Reddit. You think it could potentially get better converted, my wish lists, and then it pushes the game? Yeah, maybe. It's just really tough, man. And I'm scared to go big dick again with, you know, working till 5 AM and doing all this shit. So I get sick again. Like, I don't want to get sick again, man. Like, yesterday I had the feeling like I was gonna die, bro. I was sitting on the shitter and I was puking on the floor. I hated that, man. Sucks ass, man. It's just fucking...
Cringe.
Why not sit on the floor? Because I was also, you know, it came out of 2 openings. Good thing is it was, well, it wasn't water that was coming out, but there was no food coming out, thank goodness. That had all been digested already. I didn't eat much anyways that day.
I don't want to be like Cakez.
Yeah. How many effects do we have? That should be fine. 22, yep. Oh my god! Transparent streamer, transparent like what was coming out. I think it was either food poisoning. It must have been food poisoning.
Like, I don't think it was Magen-Darm again, because if it was, then I would still feel bad. I feel good enough today so that I can eat again. And throughout the day, I felt better and better and better. And last time I had Magen-Darm, I was out for like multiple days. Food poisoning. It might have been from... I was drinking a beer that evening because I was proud of myself for what I had done. And maybe the beer was bad? I don't know. Can this beer go bad often? Or was it Erdinger? Like, does this beer go bad often? Or ever? I was drinking that. I think you would feel it if it was bad. Because I think that's what came out of me when I was puking. No, I bought that beer in the store. That day. I don't have beer here. Like, I'm not a beer drinker. Yes, I drank that, but I'm not a beer drinker. Like, I don't have kisten of beer here. Like, I don't. Like, if I wanna drink a beer, I go to the store and buy one beer. Then it wasn't bad. You see, like, I once bought a beer from the store, and that definitely was bad. So they can be bad. But yeah, I don't know. Tower defense pixel graphics strategy. Yeah, guys, we gotta move on. Like, we gotta... I will send more mails. Okay, fine. Ah ja. What does it say? I don't know why I can't type. It's crazy, bro. Good stuff. Bro, can you stop mistyping? Sorry, apologize. There we go. Why is damage capitalized? Listen, I have no clue, bro. I don't even know why this is capitalized. Because it's a name? Maybe? I hate English, you know. English is the worst language ever. Because sometimes stuff is capitalized, but sometimes it is not. And then sometimes it's again, and then sometimes it's not.
And in German, it's so easy. Like, it's a noun, it's capitalized. It's not a noun, it's not capitalized. Like, how can it be so fucking retarded in English? Sorry. So, essentially, attack. Here's the thing. Hitting a target, if I think I'm gonna implement it this way, where if I hit you with 100 fire damage and I have Master of Dots, hits deal 50% less damage. Well, the hit is applied after I inflict burn. Like, for example, I deal 100 fire damage and then knockback, physical, fire. I deal 100 fire damage, but I have Master of Dots, which means I should only really be doing 50 fire damage, right? But I will first do the burn chance and apply the burning with the 100 fire damage. And then when I apply burning, the final version, the burn DPS, gets multiplied if stats dot effects and bit effect Master of Dots wait, maybe I should do get burn DPS and burn DPS here. There we go. Oops. Basically, this is multiplying it by 2, Master of Dots. 2 times dot damage. And then the hit damage gets transformed to... Let's just make a calculation, right? Let's say I deal 100 fire damage. And burn damage is 40% out of 100 fire damage. That is 40 burn DPS. With Master of Dots, that would be twice as much. That would be 80. Now, if I were to have Master of Dots and I reduce the 100 to 50 first, then I'd take 40% and then I multiply that by 2. Then I would still be at the same. So basically, I get it now. I need to take the 100 fire damage, multiply that by 0.4, multiply that by 2. And I cannot reduce the hit damage before I do the burn calculation. Otherwise, it results in the same damage. Hallo. Hallo. Ja, warte, zeig mal deine Lippe.
Nase.
Deine Nase, warte, ich hol dir was. Hinsetzen, ja. Hinsetzen, ja. Ja, ja, ja. Ja, ja, ja. Katze, ja.
Katze.
Katze. Yeah, I didn't even tell you guys, but my wife was in a hospital with Zoe last night when I was sick. Because she had blue lips. And they told her that she needs to stay there. They were in the hospital over the night. So I can't really focus on this. Yeah, Jesus, fucking. And basically, she has to go to a cardiologist or something. Zoe, braucht das. They have to check her heart.
No.
Fucking hell, man. Yeah, now we have to wait like 1 to 2 weeks minimum to get an appointment, which fucking sucks. Which effing sucks. Yeah, she'll be learning the... Yeah. Handschuhe, yeah. Yeah. Hope she's, yeah, me too, man. It's definitely stressful because we can't go to the doctor immediately because these you need to like wait to get an appointment. Du willst malen? Ja. Hier. Einmal hier.
Da. Da.
Bitteschön. Okay. Hello, I cannot use my hands well, so I cannot play games with WSA. Please add more games. Please add more games that can be controlled with only the mouse. For example, move the mouse for steering and drag. Well, you can play my game entirely with the mouse. Okay, now we get all the cold lightning damage, blah blah blah. Whoa. And then, yeah, wait. Cold damage does not, and then dots. We have bleed. Hä? Was möchtest du? Hier. Da kannst du mal. Bleed. Let's see. Get bleed DPS. Herz, ja? Ja, ja. Da, bitteschön. Where is bleed damage? Or is it... Ah, here, bleed DPS. Get bleed DPS. Basically... if we have Master of Dots, then we do DPS times... Hä? Was? Hier, guck mal da. Oder? Ja. Haus. Herz. Ja. Ja. Da. Bitteschön. Jetzt musst du. Jetzt du. How you doing, man? Hello there, my man, Kafa. I'm doing good. Surprisingly well. I thought I wouldn't be able to stream today. But, good.
The house.
Hä?
The house.
Ja, warte. There we go. So now we have... Handschuhe. Careful showing your daughter your cakes. There could be a billionaire in the chat. No, wait, we have that. I only have 3 dots, do I? Good. And now... fire damage, cold damage, lightning damage, poison damage. And now, if we have this... intervene... Do we have the damage here? 2 damage can't be reduced. Oi. Zoe. Stop. Okay, then we need to do the if check, I think, here. If we have the Master of Dots, then we have the damage. There we go. Master of Dots. Half impact damage. I think Master of Dots is implemented now. Shall we test? How can I see if this works? I only have 2 fire damage. What if I do bleed then? Maybe it's better if I do bleed. Wait a minute. I think bleed is easier to do. Let's go. Are you a game developer? Well, I don't like calling myself a game developer yet. Haven't sold a game yet, but I'll probably, and I can't live off it yet. So maybe by Monday next week I am a game developer. Cause that's when I sell my game. Hmm? Was? Was? Nein. 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 Holy cow, why does it? Oh my god, it shows up already. 300 bleed DPS. Bruh. Bruh. I need to see that. She does 3. Zoe. Toggle item list. Oh, shit. So, ist Mama eingeschlafen? Hm? This is your first game? Yeah, this is my first game. You will be game seller then? Yeah, I mean... Imager, Cakes, this is for you, brother. What? Hä? Wishlist from Steam Next Fest? Hä? What? Oh, Zoe. Hier. Zoe, hallo Zoe. Hallo? 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 Hä? Hä? Weiß nicht wieso. Zusammen mit mir. Okay. Zoe, hallo? 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 She thinks this is a phone. Hallo? Zoe, hallo? Tschüss? I suppose you had an IT job before making video games? Yeah. You can be happy with gaining 300 hellos or disappointed with 14,000. Haare? Let me see here. Physical damage. Physical damage, bleed chance, bleed damage, bleed duration. Physical damage. We need a weapon. Guess we'll get that. Then, well, we have armor. We need an offhand. Don't have an offhand that gives physical damage yet. So we don't need one. Hallo. Hallo. Hallo Zoe, hallo. Hallo. We're going to release something flashed out. All that matters. I think 95% of all enemies never release anything of substance, so this is an epic achievement. Yeah, I get it. It is. But I want more. I don't want just... Oh, I released... I'm happy, right? Oh my god, 700 bleed damage. I wanna see. So her impact is 193. That should be... She should only deal 100 damage, guys. When she hits, 100 damage should only be. Well, unless the attack... Let's see. Hello. Attack. Oh god, she doesn't have any range. 100, yeah. Only 100. So that works. Cool. Uh-oh. Yeah. 50% bleed chance. Why is she not bleeding? Why is the double edge axe not in the game? Oh man, they die so fast. You have the sprite for it? Yeah, I can add it into the game. But I thought I wanted to do it a two-handed weapon, which requires a little bit more to implement. Cakez, I tried to tell you this earlier. You added translations to the game, correct? But not shown on the Steam page. I did not add translations yet. Like, German is not done. And I don't have any other translation yet. And I feel like that if I push myself harder now, I'll get sick again. And so I'll probably do it after the launch. I'll most likely do it after the launch. Translations? Ja, das juckt, ja, das juckt. Ja, kratzen. Take your time, man. Zoe. Vorsichtig! Das tut weh!
Nein, nein, nein.
Nein, 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 nein. Hey. Boy or girl, girl. Ey, meins. Yeah, okay. We implemented Master of Dots. Cool. Consider this, you won't have to make it if all people in the German world speak German. God bless, little one. Thank you, thank you. So Mr. D-Boy says I should be
emailing more and more YouTubers. That's what I should spend my time on, all my time. And then maybe I'll do one more short. What do I do on stream, guys? What do I do on stream, chat? Hey, Zoe. I'm not setting up a new game while I'm actively working on my current game. That would be stupid. I mean, guys, if you wanna support the game, the best way to do it is to follow, to wishlist it, which you can do right here. I'll give you a link for those of you guys on YouTube. If you're new here, you can find the game right here. And then for those of you guys on Twitch that are new, you can find the game here.
Hello.
How many are still not finished? My game is finished. My game is finished. Was? Okay, so you think it's too ambitious for Solodev to make a 3D game? No, I don't think it is, unless you keep it small. But usually when you make 3D games, they are not that small, right? So you'll most likely quit before the game sees the light of day. Let's see, what do we have here? We have implemented this. I would need to change that. Burn stack an additional time, but expire faster. Because that is not implemented properly. It does work only halfway. But yeah, the rest is all implemented, it works. Just set up a Ralph loop in any AI terminal and just get it to send messages to any gaming channel that it can find email for until it sends like 500. Ever thought about making games out of ecosystems like Rain World? Hey, Zoe. Nein. Zoe, deine Nase. Hast du schon? Hier kriegst du eine. Kannst du eine haben? Hier bitte. Yeah, automatic marketing. But that would be random YouTubers. And the results would almost be zero. Like, you'd be wasting a bunch of energy and time and effort into something that would result in zero outcome. Because the YouTubers that it's gonna find would be non-related. How are you gonna manage her all by yourself for weeks though? What do you mean manage her all by yourself for weeks? My wife is here too. You get it to research tower defense YouTubers?
Yeah, guys. We'll have to see. I feel like this guy should have Master of Dots too. Because of the bleed stuff. So this should be Master of Dots. And then this. What would this be? Damage? Mhm. Kannst du sie kurz nehmen? Du bist doch noch gar nicht fertig. Damage. And targets. Target count. It's gotta be one target though. Otherwise it's too OP. And then we save it. Good stuff. That makes this guy more powerful, and he kinda needs to be. Oh yeah, and then this needs to be much more expensive. That's gotta be 6 points. Save. Cakez has searched for Tower Defense on Steam, and I gotta tell you, I had to scroll really deeply to find your game in there. You won't have to look far, it's gonna be #1 seller. By the way, Simple Flips, Mao, Friendly, I think I said Friendly, Nebu, and Tiger, thank you guys for following. Appreciate it. Okay, so at least the skill trees are completely done now. Definitely gonna try a game, yo mate. Hey, that's awesome to hear. Hopefully you like it, bro. What's the name of the game anyways? My game? Game Tangy TD. You can find the link at the top. I pinned the message. Null exception pinned the message. What's she talking? I don't know. Something. Adam. Hello? Hello? She's telling that she needs to be more positive. Hello. I'll try, guys. I'll try. Warte, Zoe. Zoe. Was machst du da? So what I'll do is the following. I'll try to get 100 more emails and send them by tomorrow. I'll try to finish the short that I started. These two things. And then tomorrow we'll see what I do. Right. How the mood is too. But I think we just have to go next game. I already sent key to Jackie. Anyways, I'm sending you over to Jackie Codes. Hope you have fun today. And hope you have fun there. And yeah, thank you guys for the awesome support for the push-ups, right? I don't know how you say that in English. For the lifting up. I appreciate that a lot. I'll try my best to be more positive tomorrow. I don't like to be all negative and gloomy. You know, try to be more positive tomorrow. And I'll see you all tomorrow. I should not get sick again. I don't think I will. Should be good. Recovered quite quickly this time, so should be okay. In any case, have a wonderful evening, guys. Whoops. See you tomorrow, guys. Peace. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And on YouTube, you guys, thank you very much for joining.
Bye bye.
I will see you all.